In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Sharing files on Google Drive is an incredibly useful capability, especially if you're collaborating with team members, sharing project resources, or just want to provide access to personal files. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate and adjust shared links, allowing you greater control and flexibility over your files. Let's start by opening Google Drive. Ensure you've logged into your Google account, then navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Now locate the file you wish to share. It could be anything, a document, a photo, a video, or even an entire folder. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open it. Next, you'll want to share this file. To do this, look for the share icon, which resembles a person with a plus sign. Alternatively, you can accomplish this by right-clicking on the file, which will bring up a menu where you should see the option to share. This will open the sharing settings for that file. Within the sharing settings, focus on the section labeled General Access. What you're going to do next is change the access permissions. Currently, it might be set to restricted, which means only specific people you choose can access this file. To make it more broadly accessible, click on the drop-down menu and select anyone with the link. This allows the link to be shared with others freely, giving them a way to view the file without needing additional permissions. After setting the link to anyone with the link, it's time to copy the link. You should see a copy link button nearby. Click this to copy the link to your clipboard. Before you share this link, there's one more important thing to consider: the level of access you want to grant. You can tailor the permissions based on your needs. For instance, do you want the recipients to just view the file, or do you want to allow them to comment or even edit? To adjust these settings, take a look just below the link sharing section where you'll find several options: viewer, commenter, or editor. Select the most appropriate access level for your intended audience. By setting these permissions, you ensure that the right people have the appropriate level of interaction with your files. Once you're comfortable with all these settings, you're ready to share the link with others via email, messaging apps, or any other method you prefer. That's it. You've now successfully created a shareable Google Drive link. This process not only helps in distributing files efficiently, but also lets you retain control over how they're accessed and used. Whether you're collaborating in the workplace or sharing with friends and family, this is a skill that will certainly come in handy. Thank you for following along, and happy sharing.